Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Installtio. In today's video, we will learn how to install Docker on Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your web browser and on Google type Docker and press enter. You will see the official website docker.com. Click on it. Once the website open, go to the developer and click on the documentation. Now click on the Get Docker button. Now scroll down little. You will see the different version available. We want Docker for Windows, so click on Install Docker Desktop on Windows. Here two versions are available, Windows x86 and Windows ARM Early Access. So we will download the stable version, that is Windows x86_64. Click on it. You will see the download has started. Wait for a moment. I will see you once the download is successful. Once the .exe file is downloaded, click on it to begin the installation and wait for a moment. It will ask for admin permission. Click on yes and minimize the window. A setup window will appear. It will ask to create a desktop shortcut. Keep it select and click OK. Docker Desktop will now start installing. This may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, you will see an option to restart. This will restart your system and complete the Docker installation. After restarting, you will see the Docker Desktop icon on your desktop. Before open it, let's verify the installation. Go to Start and type cmd and press enter. Type the following command and press enter, that is docker -version and press enter. If the Docker version is displayed, that means Docker is installed successfully. And that's it for today's video. This is how you can install Docker on Windows 11 successfully. If you face any error or have any questions, comment below and I will try my best to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Installtio. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.